essential tips on how to use the IGCSE Biology Complete Notes. The brain sign tells you that this is an essential definition that would come as it is in the exam paper. The text written in orange are marking points taken from the mark scheme. The words written in pink are key terms that you must have in your answer. You should also make use of the exam tips written aside. Use the mind maps to help you link different topics together. Also use the comparison table to help you distinguishing between different processes. Diagrams are very helpful to learn things quickly because they stimulate your visual memory. The flask sign tells you that this is a practical required for the paper 6 exam. Scanning QR codes will show you videos related to those practicals. The E sign tells you that this section is for the extended syllabus and it's not going to come on your paper 6 exam.